If we want to show the percentage one, let's go ahead and go edit. And let's add a calculated field to determine the percentage of leads that were converted into deals. So let's go ahead over here, values, we'll click add in a calculated field. And we're going to do a quick formula here. So first of all, let's change this to custom. And then we can add a formula here. And basically instead of the range that you'd normally do, for example, in the COUNTIF, and we'd select a range on here, we're going to use the name of the column. And so what we're going to use is the status column and then check closed one against all of them. And so if we go back here, let's open up our pivot table again, go back to our COUNTIF. So let's do status closed one and then divided by, and let's just do a count A on the status column. Now, if we close this out, there is our percentage. And so this is percent closed. All right, so that's how to quickly modify the pivot table once you have it built. And this will allow you to show your deals grouped by month and by lead source and showing the deal revenue